Hi, this is Chandrani and welcome to Living with Chandeep. Today I'll be taking you plant shopping with me. I also decided to drag my brother along. A long line of nurseries are located on EM Bypass, just opposite the Patuli Floating Market. They have an amazing collection of indoor and outdoor plants at a really affordable price. I'll show you some of the popular indoor plants along with their price, a few tips for beginners on how to buy the best indoor plants here, and at the end I'll show you all the plants that we bought. This is one of the first shops you'll come across near Patuli Crossing. Let's start with the universal favorite, pothos. The golden pothos here cost just ₹40. Marble queen pothos also costed ₹40 and I bought one for myself. They also had few of these huge pothos growing up a moss stick at ₹600. I have been planning to buy a broken heart since forever. In Patuli, this is the only shop where I saw the plant and it was priced at ₹230. 2-layered lucky bamboo shoot plant cost ₹160 while 3-layered ones cost ₹250. Moon cactus costs ₹350. Snake plants come in many varieties. These huge ones cost ₹600 because they have multiple plants growing in one pot. You can find individual plants within 150 to 250 rupees. You'll also find some smaller varieties at 80 rupees. If you have the option of buying plants from a physical store, try to buy ones that show signs of new growth and also check for diseases. These large spider plants cost ₹250, but there were also smaller versions available for 150 rupees and 70 rupees. You'll notice that for most plants the rates here are actually cheaper than the popular online stores. Plus you can check and pick the ones you buy. They had a very nice collection of small succulents and cactus. The range that you see here cost ₹150 each, but I bought non-decorated ones at ₹100 the last time I was here. So look around and negotiate a bit before buying because price can vary from shop to shop. This beautiful houseplant red anthurium costs ₹480. My brother bought this pothos which the shopkeeper said is a Pune variety. It costed ₹100 because it has started trailing. They also had marble queen pothos for ₹100 because of the trails. I also bought a neon pothos from here for 100 rupees. This really thick burgundy rubber plant here has 2 stalks in one pot, has very broad leaves and costs ₹800. But you can find smaller plants for ₹200 to 250. The variegated ones cost ₹450. This gorgeous fern costs ₹300. This attractive plant, which might be sweet potato vine, costs ₹60. If you like a plant you know nothing about, take a picture using Google Lens and search for light and water requirements before buying it to see whether it's suitable for your home. The shops also sell ceramic and plastic pots, hanging planters, soil, fertilizers, etc. I bought a spider plant from here for ₹80. I was also here a month back and I got a mini caladium for ₹100. I love creepers and hanging plants. My sister got a Hoya last time for ₹120, though this time they were asking for $220. I went back to the first shop to get my plants and got the price for some more. Jumpkin cost ₹150, white syngonium cost ₹100 and large erica palm cost ₹120. Now let's see a recap of all the plants I bought during the last 2 visits. So that's all for today's video. Please like, comment and share if you found the video useful, and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.